In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Monday.com. Creating forms on Monday.com can streamline your workflow by collecting crucial information directly into your boards. Whether you're managing event registrations, customer feedback, or team submissions, forming a bridge between your data and your projects has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This is where every project begins. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find yourself at the heart of Monday.com, where your productivity journey starts. Now look for the plus icon next to your main workspace's name at the left sidebar. This little icon is your gateway to creating new items within Monday.com, including the forms we're focusing on today. Click on this icon. It's a small step that opens up a world of organizational possibilities. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear, showcasing various options for what you can add to your workspace. From this list, select Form. This action leads you into the realm of form creation, where you can begin crafting a tool tailored to collect precisely the information you need. Once you've selected Form, you will be redirected to a new page where you can start editing your form. But before you dive into adding questions and customizing fields, take a moment to observe your workspace. You're now in the editor mode, which means everything you add or adjust here will directly translate into what form fillers see on their end. To commence editing, click on Edit Form. This is your creative space. Editing the form is where the magic happens. Here you can decide on the type of questions to include, whether they're open-ended, multiple choice, or a simple yes-no. Moreover, you can arrange these questions to flow logically, making the form filling process as smooth as possible for your respondents. Remember, a well thought out form can significantly improve the quality and consistency of the information you collect. Now that you've tailored your form to meet your needs precisely, it's time to share it with the world. Look for the Share Form button, which is your key to distribution. Clicking this button gives you access to a link that can be easily shared with anyone you wish to complete your form. You can send this link via email, embed it into a website, or even share it across social media platforms depending on what suits your needs best. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a form on Monday.com, edited it to match your specific requirements, and are now ready to share it with your audience. But before we conclude, here are a few additional tips to ensure your form is as effective as possible. Always preview your form before sharing it. This ensures that everything appears as intended and provides you with a chance to catch any mistakes or make last-minute adjustments. Consider the user experience. Make sure your questions are clear and concise, and the form is not too lengthy. A positive experience increases the likelihood of form completion. Test your form. Before sending it out into the world, fill it out yourself or ask a team member to do so. This can help you identify any issues from a user's perspective. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create a form on Monday.com. With your new form ready to go, you're well on your way to gathering valuable data that can help propel your projects forward. Remember, the key to a successful form is making it clear, concise, and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and here's to your next project's success.